What's going on, guys? I know you see that play button. Anyways, so we're getting ready to do a setup before we glue and nail everything up for a retirement piece that's coming up. I figure I'm gonna show you a little quick snapshot of how we put everything together before we do nail it down to get approval by the customer. Stay tuned. Also, come on guys, you gotta subscribe. Please subscribe. We need all your help. Guys, I'm gonna wrap it up with the gluing and the nailing. Once I get done with it, I'm gonna make sure I videotape the final product. Here it comes.